guys, today we're gonna unblock one of the toilet upstairs, put the pool out of the toilet and try to clean it. Hopefully something locked inside the pan, and we just take it out and put the toilet back in. Yeah, if the main drain is blocked, then we have to use the machine. Let's start it. Guys, when you install the toilet, please never put silicone here. Silicone bottom is good enough. Blockage is clear now. You can hear the noise. We pull out some hair from the toilet.